Okay, so this is Pony Heads 101. So let's make a few circles. And then this one's going to be facing this way, this one's going to be facing like this way, and this one's going to be facing us. So it's going to go like this. The first thing I like to do is the snout. So you take your center point here and you go down to like not quite halfway, about a third of the way from here to here. You take about a third, and then the snout goes on the first third down. So like that. And then your eyes are, let's do the snout on here, so about a third of the way down, and then it kind of goes like that. So this, from a 3/4 view, it kind of comes out. So you're not gonna draw the snout flat on here. You're gonna draw it out a bit, and then the chin is gonna continue this line. So it's gonna come down like that, but like that. And then the neck comes from the back of the head, so it comes from like back here, kind of like that. So it's gonna be like that. So that's the neck. And then the snout on here is about a third of the way down, so it's like that. And you have the chin, kind of like that. Okay, so that's the snout. Sometimes if you want, this is totally up to your style choice, but you can, you can make this, you can make it just be like this or like this. For right now I'm just going to keep it this way. And then for the eyes, you're going to make like a little space about like that. So like if you cut this in half and then cut the half in half, it's going to start right here. And then you're going to go all the way up to like up here, and you're going to go all the way out almost to the edge of the face, and you're going to go all the way down to about the halfway point of the nose, of the snout. So like that. And then you're gonna have your so let's have like that. Yeah, it's a little bit better. And then you have like your iris and then your pupil. And then for this view, same rules apply. You start about, this actually comes out a little bit, so it's like right here. But so you draw like the triangle shape or the trapezoid shape, and then you start over here at the edge of it, and you go all the way up to up here like that. And then from this side it's just going to be like that. And then I like to have the cheek kind of come out a little bit. Like that. Anal Krong Nuho, and then you have the iris. But of course over here you won't see it because it's behind. And then you have the pupils. And then on this view, it's going to be like, okay, so this is the center of the side of the head. So your eye is going to go back, say you cut this in half from here to here. Cut this in half, and then cut the half in half. And that's about where the eye is going to go to. Actually, no, it's going to be from here to the half, I think. Actually, no, it'll go from here to about half of the half. So it's going to go from here to here. So, and then it's going to go up almost halfway or about halfway up here. And then it's going to come down about halfway of the snout. So it's going to be like this. COVID-19, COVID-19, take another shot of Listerine as we raise our glasses high again to COVID-19. Alright, so there you go. That's that view. And then I guess the last thing on the head is like the ears, so you're going to start like a little bit over the halfway point, so like right there. And you're going to come up like that, and you're going to kind of go like that. And then from here, once again it's going to be here, but this kind of goes like that. So you're going to go like right here about halfway. It's also going to start like right here at the halfway point, which is there. So it's going to go like that. And you know the side of the ear is kind of like an S. Like that. That's an ear. And the edge kind of goes around like that. If you look at it in 3D, it's like a folded piece of paper kind of. And it kind of goes like that. That's a good ear. And then you make the other one. And then so from the side view over here, it's going to be like that. It's going to kind of come forward a little bit. And you put your little line there. Yeah, so that's the pony head. I'll make a VOD in a minute. I'll make it about the mane or the hair. Alternatively, you could watch that. It's like a 45-minute video where the manga artist explains hair. That will also help you a lot.